So how to create our first application? In order to do it, we click here, File, then New Project. And as you can see here, we have a few catalogs with some templates that are gonna create lots of code for you. But for now, we're just gonna use the Java application, which is gonna, as you can see, create a new Java standard application in a standard IDE project. Okay, this is just the easiest project. We're gonna start from it, and we're gonna include packages, libraries manually when we need them. You are learning stuff from the beginning. We don't want to have too much code created by them, right? We need to learn everything step by step from the beginning. So we're gonna create the Java application. We click next, and now here we should type the project name. You can call it whatever you want. We're gonna use the Java application 7, doesn't matter. And it's gonna create also the main class. Well, let it do it. Let's click the finish. And as you can see, the IDE is something that is gonna organize everything. Here, as you can see, you have got a tool that is gonna allow you to expand every possible future file that you add to your project, right? Here is a Java application 7.java, but you could create another one, click new and create new one. You can create a folder, so everything is gonna be organized. That's why it's called integrated development environment, because it's gonna help you, it's gonna give you interface for creating things here. So this is your first project, and here is a code. When you make an error, like for example something like that, as you can see, we can see instantly that it says, hey, there is something wrong here, right? And you get the hints what's wrong exactly, right? When you do something like that, you're gonna see that, cannot find a symbol like that, something is expected there. You're gonna get hints when you make errors. This is very important because, well, you are a human and all people are making mistakes, errors, right? And this editor is gonna tell you very fast where you did an error, right? A simple error like that. And one of the coolest thing is that Netbeans is now connected to the Java development kit. So it means that it is connected to Java Virtual Machine, to the Java compiler, to the Java execution of Java files program. It is connected to just, for example, this one button here. When you click play, it is gonna play, build the project, it's gonna interpret everything, change the bytecode and do the machine code, everything that we talked about in first lessons where I said what is Java, right? And it's gonna build it successfully, as you can see. And if we do something like, for example, system out print line and hello world, as you can see, it's gonna print out it here. We're gonna talk about things like that, what are functions, what are classes, packages, and other things like that in next lesson, so don't worry about it. This lesson is about this editor. So the editor, the IDE, is used to help you, right? To navigate through your code easier way, right? It's gonna give you a history of changing things. It's gonna, as you can see here, you can see what was changed, for example. There are lots of useful tools in this editor, and you're gonna learn them throughout your journey of Java step by step.